Bioluminescence, the emission of visible light by living organisms, is commonly observed in marine life, fireflies, and certain fungi. However, recent research has confirmed that humans also exhibit bioluminescence, albeit at intensities too faint for the naked eye to perceive. This phenomenon is a byproduct of metabolic processes within the human body, particularly those involving oxidative stress. While it is well established that humans emit weak photons, little research has been conducted on whether other species, particularly animals with enhanced low-light vision, might be able to detect this faint glow. Human bioluminescence results from oxidative metabolic reactions, specifically reactive oxygen species, ROS, interaction with biomolecules such as lipids and proteins. These reactions form excited molecules which release photons as they return to a lower energy state. This phenomenon is fundamentally similar to chemiluminescence observed in other biological systems, though it lacks an enzymatic amplification process like the luciferase-luciferin system found in fireflies or deep-sea organisms. Studies have shown that human bioluminescence follows a circadian rhythm, peaking around 4 to 5 p.m. in the late afternoon and reaching its lowest levels around 10 a.m. This variation is believed to correlate with metabolic activity and oxidative stress fluctuations throughout the day. The highest photon emissions are typically observed on the forehead, cheeks, and neck, which suggests localized metabolic activity plays a role in bioluminescence intensity. While human bioluminescence is too faint for the human eye to detect, certain animals with enhanced low-light vision might theoretically perceive it. However, no direct experimental evidence currently confirms this hypothesis. Many nocturnal mammals, like cats and dogs, possess a tapetum lucidum, a reflective layer behind the retina that increases their ability to see in dim lighting. This structure enhances low-level light detection and might allow these animals to perceive the extremely faint human glow. Additionally, reindeer have been shown to detect ultraviolet light, which could play a role in differentiating subtle bioluminescent emissions from the environment. Deep-sea shrimp, such as those from the genus Acanthophora, possess highly sensitive photoreceptors adapted to detect faint bioluminescent signals in the abyssal ocean. Similarly, deep-sea sharks have specialized rod cells that allow them to see extremely weak light emissions. Given that human bioluminescence falls within the visible spectrum of 400 to 700 nanometers, particularly in the blue-green range around 500 nanometers, it is plausible that such organisms could perceive human bioluminescence under controlled conditions. Also, certain insects, such as moths, bees, and mantis shrimp, have highly specialized vision that includes polarization detection and enhanced sensitivity to faint light sources. If human bioluminescence exhibits any degree of polarization, it is possible that these species could detect it more effectively than vertebrates. However, no studies have examined insect responses to human bioluminescence. Furthermore, snakes, particularly pit vipers and some pythons, are known for their infrared vision, which allows them to detect body heat. While this differs from visible light bioluminescence, some studies suggest that snakes also have low-light sensitivity that might enable them to detect weak photon emissions under specific conditions. Despite evidence supporting the existence of human bioluminescence, little research has been conducted on whether any species can actively detect it. Most studies on bioluminescence perception have focused on marine organisms that rely on bioluminescent signals for survival. Given the increasing interest in non-invasive biomarkers for oxidative stress and metabolic health, studying animal perception of human bioluminescence could provide insights into biomedical applications and evolutionary adaptations of vision in different species. Human bioluminescence is a real, albeit faint, phenomenon driven by metabolic oxidative processes. While the human eye cannot perceive this glow, it is theoretically possible that animals with enhanced low-light vision, such as nocturnal mammals, deep-sea organisms, and certain insects, could detect it. However, due to the extremely low intensity of human bioluminescence, direct experimental validation is required to determine whether any species can actively perceive and interpret these faint emissions. Future research should focus on controlled behavioral experiments with highly light-sensitive animals to explore this hypothesis further. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to The Facts of Life and Other Nonsense and giving it a thumbs up. It really helps us grow and keep creating content like this. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this fascinating topic, so let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching The Facts of Life and Other Nonsense, and see you in the next one.